adding $10,000 per month without hiring, without ads, without more hours. This sounds like a headline from a business coaching ad. It's not. Here's the actual math. The average contractor sends 15 to 20 estimates per month. Average ticket, $4,000 to $8,000. Average close rate without a follow-up system, around 20%. At 15% estimates per month, a $6,000 average ticket, and a 20% close rate, you're closing 3 jobs, $18,000 in monthly revenue. Now install a follow-up system, a tracking sheet, message templates, a 48-hour rule, and a Monday morning check-in. Nothing expensive or complicated. Your close rate moves to 35%. Same 15 estimates, same pricing, same team, same number of hours. Now you close 5 jobs instead of 3. Monthly revenue, $31,500. That is $13,500 more per month. No new leads purchased. No additional employee. No extra hours worked. You are simply closing the opportunities you were already creating and then walking away from. This is the math I show every new client on day 1 of the audit. When they see their actual estimates sent versus jobs closed gap on paper, the room gets very quiet. The opportunity is almost always bigger than they thought. You don't need more at-bats. You need to stop striking out on pitches down the middle. DM me audit to see your numbers. NoRedTapeGuy.com. And with that, more to come.